One day, Alex wanted to buy some fruit in Mannyun Street. Suddenly, he saw a fire. For our final project, we've decided to redesign and remodel a fruit stall. The first reason for choosing the site is due to hygiene and food safety. Being situated in one of the most densely populated areas in the world and in an outdoors scenario, hygiene is key to the sales and consumption of food. The high density also leads to problems with ventilation as well as efficient use of space. We aim to make our stall more aesthetically pleasing and to tackle the problems previously mentioned. The inspiration of the water-repellent hood comes from the form of lotus leaves. The surface of the hood mimics the structure of the leaf. It is not only self-cleaning but also super hydrophobic. The movable solar panels mimic the process of sunflowers. Its movement is sun-orientated. Our stall employs an analytic form of a rectangle with rectangular cabinets enclosing all four sides. This improves the visual satisfaction, sturdiness, and the stall's storage system. Our stall comes with an extensive built-in storage space. These cabinets are inspired by the Kiefer technique showroom facade. These openings allow any size of box or fruits to be stored, and they can be slide open in various directions. This can be controlled with a remote, minimizing human labor. These cabinets are designed to be deployable in order to optimize display and storage space. The bottom half can be pulled out to display more fruits while keeping the storage space. The entrance-exit area can be remotely controlled to move up and down. When there's no need to exit, the area can be used to display. The stall can also be stored underground to improve security and allowing other parties to use the road. We have a noise reduction chip to reduce noise pollution. We've also incorporated technology, produce a purifying substance to tackle smell, and also weigh your fruit on the cashier, and pay with methods such as Apple Pay and WeChat Pay. The whole structure will be made of concrete and steel to ensure that there will be a higher resistance to fire and other forces. The structure is designed to open up in all four sides, allowing wind to circulate so the fresh air can get into the stall. Shape, memory, alloy, and rubber will be used for joining the structure. This combination will apply force on the concrete pillar when fire happens, so that the concrete pillars and the roof structure won't deform and fall towards inside. The roof of the stall is made of tempered glass so it won't break into pieces when it deforms. We can utilize the solar energy collected from the solar panels to convert our bio-waste produced from the fruit stall into fertilizers. The overall structure, therefore, impacts the entire society positively.
The Mannyun Street Market's first stall looked like this, with many existing problems addressed at the beginning. Here, now we have the innovative smart fruit stall that has solved the problems and with additional benefits. While maintaining the positive features of the original stall, we have drastically improved its efficiency by optimizing space usage, hygiene, and turning the space into a technologically innovative yet sustainable structure, achieving its fundamental purpose.